When everyone had gone home, one soul stayed behind. A dog, sitting quietly beside his owner's coffin, eyes heavy with sleep, but he refused to leave. They say loyalty is rare these days. But look at him, keeping watch, as if waiting for his best friend to wake up one last time. And wait until you hear how long he stayed, because no one else stayed that long. Hit like and subscribe if you believe dogs love us more than most people ever will. Through the silence of the night, this dog proved what true loyalty looks like. No riches, no words, just presence. Sometimes the purest love has 4 legs and a beating heart that never forgets.